This is a guided chakra and breath meditation, helping to dissolve patterns of consciousness in the body and experience more of a safe and liberating flow. So we're going to be moving our awareness up through the chakras and holding the breath out as we move up the centers. At any point, if the hold feels a little bit long, just simply take an extra breath. It's totally fine. Just stay with the visualization of where we are in the body. I really recommend adding this practice daily, and it's super cleansing for the subtle body. To begin, sit up nice and tall and just close your eyes and feel your sits bones on the ground, and just allow for a moment your energy to settle. Let it just sort of shift gears from whatever you've been actively involved in with today to a more inward and reflective space. If you need to, it is totally okay to lie back, but this meditation is best enjoyed in seated. So if it is uncomfortable for you to sit in crossed legs, you might choose to move to a chair with your back just upright and not leaning. And so we're just sitting nice and quietly. We'll begin with just a light breath of fire. We won't go for so long, about 1 minute. And we'll just do this to fuel some energy building in the belly, cultivating and really alivening energy in the belly. So take a breath in and begin your rapid exhalations with passive inhalations. And bring all of your awareness down to the root chakra. Breath here is held out. Just a feeling here, the ability to be grounded and stable, fearless, connected to the earth. And then slowly inhale. Visualize all of the energy coming up the spine like an elevator, just like an elevator of light all the way up to the crown, and then hold the breath at the crown. Visualize here a white light just trapped full of energy just above the crown. Breath is held in, and then exhale the energy all the way down the spine, again all the way down to the second chakra at the pelvis. Breathe out. Visualize a swirling orange energy, the area of creativity, holding the breath out. Move the connection to pleasure, joy, and desire, and then inhale all the way up. White light, gold tipped, top of the crown. Exhale, all of your awareness moves down to the navel. Hold the breath out. Visualize a gold and yellow at the navel. Just at this point, with the breath out, feeling your internal connection to power, empowerment, the ability to manifest internal strength. And then inhale all the way up to the crown. white light, gold tipped. And then exhale all the way down, descending energy down to the heart center. And visualize a deep emerald green, feeling in this moment your deep capacity to love and be loved, and share, be open in a vulnerable space. Slowly inhale your breath all the way up to the crown. White light, gold tipped. And as you exhale your breath, hold the breath out somewhere around the level of the throat. And when you reach that throat, breath held out, visualize a bright sky blue and feel your deep capacity to listen to your inner voice of truth, to communicate through truth, and to choose your words wisely. Inhale to the crown. White light, gold tipped, all the way up. Exhaling to the center of your forehead and visualizing an indigo violet, feeling your capacity to behold a great picture of your life, a higher vision with clarity and an intuitive life. And then inhale all the way up to the crown, please. White light, gold tipped. Exhale slowly all the way down. And now please just sit quietly and relax with your breath. Visualize and feel and sense the luminosity of your body in this very moment. And slowly bring your attention to your heart center. And as you do, visualize a golden ray or many rays of light, like a sun emanating at the center of your chest, moving outward in all directions at once. Healing presence of that light in your heart. And now your awareness up to the third eye, sensing and visualizing all this energy concentrating at the third eye, the healing light at the third eye. Peaceful and connected, present and aware. In relationship with body, mind, and heart. And then just bring your hands to your heart space in Anjali Mudra or a prayer press. As you lift your heart to your thumbs, bow your chin in reverence, and bless yourself on this day. Hari Om Shanti. Namaste. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, peace.